Hello all, this is the second video in a series of reprogramming my 2016 Focus RS. The first in the series was the left icon, reprogramming the rear drive unit to gain additional torque at the rear wheels. Looking to see at the next autocross if the additional torque on launch is going to help out, as well as the multiplier that I chose at 12%, if it's going to help me pivot the car more. If not, we'll continue to make changes. This video is dedicated for the icon on the right, which is Daft Racing's ABS reprogramming. It's a factory calibration from Ford. I'm looking to see if it's going to eliminate the panic assist that has been troubling me in a few autocrosses. If my front tires get airborne, or if I'm transitioning quickly from tip in on throttle to brake, partial brake, I don't left foot brake, but if I do brake quick enough after a tip in on the throttle, then panic assist kicks in and the pedal goes to the floor and I blow off course and get a DNF. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reprogram your ABS module. You can follow the instructions on the first video on how to connect to the virtual, the VMware server using the player, but this video would make the assumption that you've already done the RDU programming, so all you have to do is jump in head first with the ABS programming. Again, this is going to take quite a bit longer, probably 8 to 10 minutes, so I highly recommend a battery charger connected to your RS. You do not want to brick the ABS module. If you did, you might have to send it to the programmer that came up with this miraculous feat. Otherwise, make sure that the laptop doesn't have screensaver, or you have power management turned off so your hard drive or anything else shuts off. Following the instructions on the screen, we do have a charger. The laptop does have a charger connected. We do have an internet connection here in the shop, and we would like to continue. We do not have the Carloop connected at this point. I have the mini USB connected to the Carloop, but the USB is not plugged into the laptop. Here we go. Basically, it wants us to connect the Carloop. I'm going to plug in the USB cable. Carloop is blinking. That's a slow flash, white with a little bit of red. Alright, we're going to hit return. Try to download. Yes. Here we go. Alright, as before, we're going to connect the particle to the VM virtual machine. You can look up on the top right corner, and that third icon is the photon, and it does not have a green dot near it. We need to connect focus, you fuck. There we go. We're going to go back and connect go to player, removable devices, photon, and we're going to connect it again. I'm not going to zoom in, but on the top right corner of the screen, the third icon now has a green dot. Alright, the Carloop device, as the screen indicates, the terminal is stating that it's green and flashing. So So now we're going to connect the Carloop device to the OBD2 port, turn the vehicle on, and hit return. Let me go ahead and connect the Carloop, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, Carloop's connected. Let's turn the vehicle on. Battery charger connected. Radio's off, AC's off, all that good stuff. Autocross life, 49 miles to empty, and it's almost a half a tank. There we go, Carloop connected. Now, since we went up to player, you might have to come down here and get back to the terminal, but let's go ahead and hit enter and see if we go. Alright. There is an engine fault service now popping up, a navigation fault, but I'm told that's part of the programming. The navigation fault goes away once you shut the car down and open the door and shut it. Back when we did the RDU programming, the first block was only 320. You can see that this is 1,049. It's going to take a little bit longer. Feel free to fast forward this video because it's going to be very boring. Three hours later. Carloop should be flashing green. It's kind of a slow flash. Probably 5 seconds on. A fifth of the way there. Eight minutes in. Sorry, I don't have a tripod or any way to record the screen from the laptop itself. Again, this is a borrowed laptop that is slow as molasses. halfway through. 10 minutes in. Just over 80% complete. 12 minutes, 32 seconds. Getting there. Come on, Carloop. Minutes in. Couple more modules. This one's got 33 blocks. A little bit of a noise. Restart. Alright. So this last bit might get some folks excited because this Carloop device can now be, it can mimic Ford's drift stick using the factory parking brake. Here's the final instructions. You can disconnect the USB from the particle or the Carloop. You can turn it off. Particle will fade gray. Blah blah blah. But I'm probably not going to do that because Tires are too expensive for me, I'm cheap. So, with that, you have now flashed your ABS module. Please give us feedback in the forum if you autocross or spirited drives, anything causes panic assist. I'm not sure of the implications for the folks that call out ice mode whenever they're trying to race on ice or snow and things like that, but please let us know if this helps you, either left foot brake or run in snow, race. But for us, I'm trying to eliminate panic assist. Good luck. Thanks.